friends, today we are going to learn new chapter from standard 6, subject general science, chapter name disaster management, and we are going to learn this chapter in 4 parts. So now we are going to deal with part 1, and part 1 topic is disaster. Now what is meant by disaster? A sudden event that causes large scale damage to life, property and social aspect of a nation and society is called disaster. In this picture we can see disaster, kinds of disaster. Now disaster are of two main kinds. First one is natural disaster. In this picture we can see natural disaster. Second one is man-made disaster. In this picture we can see man-made disaster. Now what is meant by natural disaster? Natural event that causes large scale damage to life, property and social aspect of a nation is called a natural disaster. Now we are going to see man-made disaster. So what is meant by man-made disaster? When human action responsible, I'm repeating, when human action responsible for large scale damage to life, property and social aspect of a nation is called man-made disaster. In this picture we can see man-made disaster. Now we are going to deal in detail kinds of various natural disaster. So there are earthquake, floods, storms, forest fires, tsunami, droughts, volcanic eruption. So what is earthquake? An earthquake is the shaking of the earth. In 1993, many people died due to the earthquake at Killari, Latur district. Now second one is floods. What is meant by floods? An overflow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limits is called flood. Recent this disaster happened in Mumbai 2017 in month of August. Storm, a violent disturbance of atmosphere with strong winds and usually rain, thunder, lightning or snow. Now tropical storm, recent tropical storm Oki was located 910 kilometers southeast of Mumbai on 3rd December 2017. Next, forest fires. A large disturbance fire that spread over a forest or area of woodland is called forest fire. In December 2016 at Kerala in Bandipur, forest affected by this forest fire. Now tsunami. What is meant by tsunami? A long high sea wave caused by an earthquake or other disturbance. In 26 December 2004, the world's deadliest tsunami killed over 230,000 people in 14 countries. The death toll in India alone is above 18,000. The next one is droughts. The world's hit areas of Maharashtra, West Solapur, Ahmednagar, Sangli, Pune, Satara, Bid and Nasik. A prolonged period of abnormally low rainfall, shortage of water that called droughts. Volcanic eruption. So what is volcanic eruption? A volcanic eruption happens when lava and gas are discharged from a volcanic vent. Indonesia, Japan, Italy. In this country, volcanic eruption frequently occurs.